Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video we got an iPhone accessory. It's a phone case made by Phone Rebel. I've got the frosted version. Let's go unbox it. Before we do that, I'm just going to tell you a bit about it. So you can get this case in 3 variants. You can get it in the Rebel series, Frosted series, and then the Crystal series. The Crystal is more like a clear version where it's just like a clear plastic. The Frosted version is what I have. It's like a plastic, but it's like the back of an iPhone 11 Pro. Frosted, you know what I'm talking about. And then you got the Rebel series, which is like, it looks like carbon fiber, but I'm not actually sure what it is. These cases are made by a famous YouTuber named Everything Apple Pro, or Philip. I've seen the case where it started, where it's ended, and then I just thought, I've been waiting for this case for too long, I need to get one now. So I got one, and let's go unbox it. Okay, so the first thing that you see is this outer box, which I'm just gonna take off. So first impressions, nice box. Like, it's got that similar Apple feeling where you can just like feel the printing. Then on this side you got frosted. I have the frosted version of the iPhone 11 Pro. On the top you've got nothing. On the other side you've got frosted again, and then on the back you have multiple facts about the case. You can pause the video and watch that, but I'm not going to read all of that. I think what you do is just you simply slide it out. Oh, there's a bit of tape there. Just quickly take that off. And oh no, I don't want to ruin the box. Okay, I've just ruined the box. Well, it's not my fault. Yeah, it's all coming off. Okay, we'll just try to leave that on there. So I think you just, alright, big reveal. Oh, nice. Alright, there's nothing in there. That is really cool. So it's actually connected to an actual plastic iPhone with the camera and everything. Okay, that is pretty cool. Okay. Oh, it's okay. Oh, there's stuff under. That's why I didn't know that. Alright, so I'm just gonna, okay, I'm gonna keep it to the side for now. See what's under. Oh, okay, that's not so much of an iPhone, is it? Oh, right. And we have a pocket, I guess, if you want to call it. And it's inside. This is for the sides of your phone. You can put like a clear thing on it. So yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, so what I was saying is you take, I think, these, and then you just pretty much you stick them wherever you want. That's pretty cool. And then you got, I don't know what this is very much. It's like a guide sticker. Okay. And then you've got a screen protector, which is it? Let's see if it's a screen protector. It is. Yeah, but I don't use screen protectors because it just feels like you're not even touching your phone if you've got a case and a screen protector, so I never use them. Also, you get this dust remover, which has the Rebel series, guess that's a wet cloth, and then a wiping thing to put your screen protector on, which is really cool. Okay, so let's just look at the case. Oh, there's like some nice light blue rubber. It's very slim. And then you got the bottom. Okay, so I got the frosted series, as I said before. It's like half clear through. Wow, I like how there's no edges. Alright, let's actually put it on for now. Oh! Alright. Nice. Okay. Wow, that's a weird feel. It feels like, because it doesn't go all the way, it's like just starts at the bit where, I want to see a bit closer, just where the thing, wow. I got the little Rebel series there. Okay. I'm not actually going to test it out if it works or not, because that would probably end up in me cracking my iPhone 11 Pro, which I do not want to do. It looks sick. I want to see these blue things. Apparently, from what I've seen, these blue things on the corners are actually the things that protect your phone. So the thing is with this, even if you drop it on the side, it's all protected here. It's not going to touch, and you do it here. And I think there's a lip. Yeah, there is a lip. So just on the edges, you can see. So if it's face down, it's not going to do anything. Sideways, it's fine. This way, it's fine. This way, yeah, it's all fine every single way. Big competitor. I'm going to see how it goes. And yeah, hopefully it protects my phone whenever I drop it, because I drop it a bajillion times. I just got to say, I drop it a lot. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.